What's up, guys? It's Nick from ChatSSHPlug. So today I just want to give you guys a brief overview of the updates that you should be expecting within the next week. So the first security feature I'm going to add is two-factor authentication. I'm not going to make it so you guys have to opt into it, but if you guys want that extra layer of security, it's going to be there. Also, I'm going to add a tunneling server. So instead of having to port forward or open one of your ports on your machine or your server, you're going to be able to connect any local server to ChatSSHPlug. So for those of you guys who don't know, let's say who don't know what a tunneling server is or a tunneling agent is, let's say you have a Raspberry Pi and you plug in your Ethernet cable that's connected to your router, and your router is has a dynamic IP. You don't have like no special router. You don't have no special contract with your ISP, so your IP doesn't change. That can pose a problem with ChatSSHPlug because you're always going to have to update your IP address, and you're going to have to update your router to keep that port open. You're going to have to statically assign an IP address to this. The tunneling agent gets rid of that. All you're going to have to do is run the program on this, and you're automatically going to be into ChatSSHPlug. You're going to be able to manage your server from ChatGPT. So how it works is, this is how a normal setup is. You have your, alright, yeah. So this is ChatSSHPlug. ChatSSHPlug tries to get into your server, which it probably can't get into if you're not port forward. Well, it definitely can't get into if you don't have no open connection, but for whatever the reason you have a dynamic IP, it's changing. How it works is, instead of ChatSSHPlug making a request to SSHN, your server, your device is gonna connect to ChatSSHPlug. Then ChatSSHPlug is gonna give it the commands, and it's gonna work from there. I just want to thank you guys for all the support I've been getting. Any updates you guys want or any features that you guys might want added, please let me know. My email is support@ChatSSHPlug. You can message me on OpenAI as well. Just want to thank you guys again. Appreciate it. Have a good day. Bye.